What is your message for my audience to learn English?
So guys, my message
Take the microphone, please.
Okay guys, so my message is this: you should learn English so you could speak in English very confidently.
Good evening, Prince.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So, one thing that Prince, I will ask you a little bit of questions.
Okay, sir.
So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, tell me, what is your full name?
My full name is SK Prince.
SK Prince. Okay, so Prince, do you have any nickname?
No, I don't have any nickname.
Okay, so tell me one thing, that which class do you read?
I read in class 5.
Okay, did you go to school yesterday?
No, because it was summer vacation.
Oh, that's great. So, which subject do you like most?
I like geography.
Geography.
Yes,
Why do you like geography?
I like geography because it's very fun to learn.
Okay, do you love English?
Yes,
Why do you love English?
I love because I love to speak in English.
Okay, don't get nervous. Okay, and one thing that if a student wants to learn English, that what shall he or she does do first time for learning English?
They should practice spoken and they should learn grammar.
Grammar. Okay. So do you have a friend?
Yes,
Okay. So tell me, what is your friend name?
my friend's name is Anhik.
What?
Anhik.
Sorry,
My friend's name is Anhik.
Anhik. Okay. And which class does he read?
He reads in the same class as me.
Do you know one thing, that which subject does he like most? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
You have no idea about him. Am I right?
No.
Okay. So tell me one thing, that what is your future ambition? I mean, what do you want to be in your future?
My future ambition is to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor.
Yes.
One thing that a lot of profession have in our society, but why do you like the profession of doctor? I mean, why do you want to be a doctor
Because
in a
I
future?
want to save people's lives.
You want to?
Save people's lives.
Okay. So tell me one thing, that from your childhood, I heard that one thing, that you want to be a doctor. Your parents also told me about you, and they also want to be a doctor in your future. So one thing, that in this world, which is the most important language for communications?
Communication is English.
English.
Yes.
Oh, that's
It's
great.
all around the world.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, tell me one thing, that will you give me a message for our audience who are watching this video in this moment? Because a lot of audience, one thing, that they will comment me that, sir, we will learn English. So what will your simple message for him or her?
Like
That
advice.
so what is your message for my audience to learn English?
So guys, my message like
Take the
advice.
microphone, please.
Okay guys, so my message is this: you should learn English so you could speak in English very confidently.
Okay. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for watching our videos, our simple English conversation. And I'm so very thankful to friends. He is standing. I'm sorry. He is sitting in front of me, and I wish all the best for his bright future. So thank you very much. Have a good
Day.
day. But this is not day. This is now evening, still going on.
Yes.
So thank you very much, and tata.
Bye.
Bye bye.